Hey, Scott here, Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for coming back and joining us. I'm out here this morning on a beautiful spring morning. It's probably 50-something degrees. I think today's high is only supposed to be like 63, but it's supposed to start raining about 3 o'clock. So we're out here this morning, going to get started on a few projects that are on our list that we talked about the other day, and just knock some of that stuff off, and just kind of prepare for our big move next year. So I'm glad we're taking a year to do this. Takes a whole lot of pressure off of us because, you know, we can kind of take our time and strategically, you know, we're selling stuff on Marketplace, and that's doing really well. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff that we just, you know, collected over the years. So that's going good, and it gives us time to go through stuff and not feel like we're rushed at the end. So anyway, so today, I don't know what all we're going to get into. I know Ann wants to move some stuff we have up here on the hill, and I think we're gonna do that this morning. I definitely want to get started on getting the aerator in the pond, because I've already got some algae coming up, so I want to get that aerator in, and probably won't be able to treat today because it's going to rain later, but I want to work on that, getting that in, and then just start working on the list and trying to knock some stuff out. So hang tight. I'm going to get the tractor warming up, and we'll get rolling here. Woodshed's clearing out a little bit. We sold that one workbench that I had in here. This white, let me turn it out. This white box that I have down here, actually got it on Marketplace, but I'm not really getting any movement on it, so I think I'm going to repurpose that thing. I think I'm going to organize my electrical and plumbing in there, and then that will go with us, because it looks like somebody threw up in my shop down below, because Ann brought everything down from upstairs, and stuff is just everywhere. So I need to get organized. I think I'm gonna maybe hold that box back and repurpose it. So I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, so this is what we want to get cleaned up over here. Those block over there stones are sold. They just haven't come pick them up yet. And we sold those floor joists that came out of the log cabin. We sold those, and so they're down below. They're coming to pick those up next week. So I've got some rails over there. We're going to get moved down to our wood pile down there and kind of get this cleaned up here, organized, and yeah, that's what we're going to do this morning. probably about all I can take. All right, so we're just trying to get this. This is down behind my logs that we've cut and we're just saving for no reason at this point. So we're trying to get all that stuff that's up on the hill back in behind here and do it orderly and neat. So that's kind of what we're working on now. Let me grab one of these, see how long they are. I'm glad we're doing this a year ahead of time.
It's a lot easier, a lot less stress.
Yeah, we're not scrambling at the end.
You would be, trust me. Can we go down here on this little one? What?
Maybe I need to come to the tractor here and try to move some of this stuff so we can get that tin back here.
Or can you lay the tin on top?
No, it's too long.
Or can you lay it over yonder?
No.
You got it?
All right.
That's a weight.
One load. Grass is looking good down here. So this is what I want to do all the way up to the house. So we got to figure out how to do that without digging everything up. There's that burn pile. Too wet to burn right now.
You got it?
See that? That's liable to throw my back out if I...
I just go like this.
Hold on, let me get...
I probably won't make it.
Might be on America's Funniest Video. Good job.
I went even further. Just swing it. You suck. You made it.
Now I don't like that wood pile there because of the grass. It's so nice.
I do. It's fine.
I know. We're not moving it. Trust me. Unless we sell it.
Well, yeah. But it's hiding all the other stuff.
Uh-huh.
No, it's fine. And it's kind of a nice backdrop.
Yeah.
Here.
Well, and it hides all that crap. I'm gonna bring it back up here though once we get it loaded.
Keeping it for sale though?
I will, but I really think it'll be good for what I'm trying to do. Something like that. So we're going to take that down there and organize with it. At some point, hopefully we can either sell that wood or use it. I got some I need to use back here in the back of the barn, but I actually have that already stinged over there. Who knows? We just about have this all picked up down here. I get these 2 pallets down there. I got one more small bucket of slate, and then we just have the tin and the cattle panel. So let's get these out here and kind of see where we're at. Okay, I think we're in pretty good shape. Got all that rock unloaded, stacked, sorted. Let's see what we got left up on top. We got everything loaded. The tin anyway. Let me get this down the hill. That we're going to take to recycle. And then the only thing we got left is these cattle panel. I think I'm going to put those on Marketplace. Get those sold. So, hang tight. Alright, I'm going to try to get this tin off the trailer. I'm just going to put it out here on the grass. Spread it out. It's supposed to rain for the next 12 hours. Maybe I'll rinse it off. And then we'll get out here and measure it, take pictures of it, and try to get it sold. It's the best thing I can think of to do with it. Alright, we're gonna let those set out here while it rains the next few days. And I don't care if it kills the grass up underneath there, because I'm gonna redo this area here to make it look like that. So this is a perfect spot for it. Should get plenty of water. I'll get out here and measure them, and we'll get these on Marketplace, see if we can get them sold. If not, we'll recycle them. Now, as you can see, we got everything cleaned up here and everything moved out. And we got posted online what we wanted to get sold. Only thing left is we've got some of this fence back here, but we're not quite ready to sell that yet. So we're gonna hang on to that. But yeah, everything's cleaned up. We've got the umbrella stand up here. We'll actually take that back and put it on the patio for the summer. Got a little sand pile. I don't have a use for it right now, but it's okay where it's at. But anyway, got everything cleaned up. It looks good. Mission accomplished. I think that's where we're going to end this video. We do appreciate you coming and watching Ann and I on this journey to get this property cleaned up, in shape, and get a lot of items sold so we don't have to be stressed, in another year whenever we get ready to sell. So this sure helps getting a jump start on all this. So anyway, hope you follow our journey. We appreciate you. And if you don't mind, take the time to like and subscribe and share with your friends. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Just wanted to give you an update on the stairs out here that we put in. They turned out really good. We ended up putting some more of these sand dust in there, and it turned out real good. So yeah, turned out good.